everyone, welcome back and welcome to new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. Hope you get to enjoy this channel. Today's recipe comes from New York. It's early 2000. I was walking up in uptown New York, 74th Avenue, in a great spring morning with a cup of coffee, and I smelled this incredible chocolatey smell. I followed the smell all the way into a shop that was called Levain Bakery. This place makes the best cookies I have ever had. Ever since I left New York, unfortunately, I have not been able to go to the bakery and buy them, so I had to make them myself. So little by little, with the recipe, I experiment, and I think I've come pretty close to it. Never as perfect as these people make them back in New York, but pretty close, so I can have a fix of Levain chocolate walnut cookies. Guys, sit back, let me show you how we do this. are absolutely the cookies you want to eat. There is no two ways about it. These things are chocolatey, they're walnutty, they're chewy, they're gooey, they're huge, just the way you want them. Guys, make sure you be patient with this. You have to work a little bit. Maybe the first time it won't come out right, but keep trying to remember, pulse, pulse, pulse. Do not whip the batter. Bring it together. Do not use a scooper, use your hand. Just make it as clumpy and dumpy as you want it to be. The messier, the better it looks. Guys, once again, give it a try. They're delicious. Takes me back to New York. Maybe I'll take you to New York as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. And if you just joined, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so that way every time we post, we'll notify you right away. Once again, thank you again, and we'll see you next time. I don't know what I'm doing next time, but for now, I'm gonna eat this cookie.